only one, of course, our Grand Amba, Grand Coach, Gloria Quaresma. Yoo!
Buhu, mahina po internet ko, mahina. Joke lang.
Nasa USA ka,
Parang
Amba.
mapapahaba ang sharing ngayon.
You have, Amba Glo, you
Wow.
have more minutes to share.
Ooh, bibigay na natin yan sa mga grand coaches na iba. Sige. Anyway, good mornings, my dear Pride family, no? Wow, I know, baka yung iba po ay with regards to our mga amazing project, no? Mga participants, tayo po, marami tayong mga wins, right? So, and some, kumbaga ba, parang we're there, we're getting there, no? It's really the daily journey. So, anyway, let me share my screen. By the way po, I'm here, no, while I'm sharing my screen. We're here. We just finished our first BOP, no? Nagkakaraban po tayo ngayon for USA, Canada. We're here in Chicago, no? That was yesterday. Nagkaroon tayo ng first BOP. Yung next po natin, we'll have an Orlando and New York, Calgary, and yung ating na pong epic event, no? Sige, let me go share my topic, no, for today is about it takes dream to turn dreams into reality, no? I'm sure even with ako nakaka-inspire, nakaka-motivate, no? Si Ate Beth, alam ko when we started Pride, nandyan na siya, and her journey ngayon parang for the longest time that she's running her pharmaceutical, yung pharmacy mo, ano, Ate Beth. And ngayon, parang naka-laser focus na siya. Grabe talaga. Parang inspiring. Pero tignan mo naman yung result, no? Parang for 2 months, 2 position, and grabe, parang ambabet, no? So, and alam naman po natin na yung mga ganyan, no, hindi, kung ano man yung pangarap natin, hindi naman talaga yan mangyayari lang kung wish lang, kung wala talagang action. So, ito pong ating dream na to is may acronym po ito, no? Yung first, it's discipline. So, itong i-share ko, I'm sharing to you right now is actually it's all just about remembering. Alam na po natin to, it's basically the content, the principle, guiding principle ng ating amazing project, no? So, discipline, yung sa dream natin na yan, yung first discipline is really very important, no? Kasi sabi nga natin, dito lahat nagsisimula sa discipline. 'Di ba? Parang kung wala tayong babaguhin sa ating ginagawa on a daily basis, no? Parang wala po. Yung ating, kung ano man yung ating goal na yan, pangarap na yan, medyo malabo-labo pa talaga yan. So you will never change your life until you change the habits you do daily. Alam po natin yan, no? So that's hindi ko na i-elaborate po ito. We know this, and for the R, it's responsibility, no? It's really all about taking full ownership. We are the CEO of our business, and we're using in our guiding principle, we're using the 7 magic words of MLM. Alam ko paulit-ulit tayo dito, but that's our business, no? Talagang yan lang talaga. We really wanted to make it simple, doable, duplicatable. So again, if we take full ownership of this business, doon talaga natin masasabi na may mangyayari sa ating negosyo, no? So yung kwan natin dito is I will help you build your business. So it's basically as a downline, no? Hindi natin, ang success natin dito nakasalalay pa rin sa ating mga kamay, no? Tayo din naman ang mag-i-enjoy sa success na ibibigay nito sa atin. So yung E, is the energy, no? And alam natin, it's all about energy, no? It's all about frequency. Sobrang align ang ating product with actually from inside out talaga, no? Naka-align. I just attended the 7 days retreat of Dr. Joe Dispenza. Wow, grabe po. Parang when you align your mind, your heart, you go to that quantum energy, parang grabe, I can really see ang alignment pati ng product natin and all, and pati sa ginagawa natin. And so, again po, we know this, we really have to be aware, heightened awareness talaga, to really be conscious of our energy, because yun yung ating ma-attract, no? We attract who we are, not what we want, no? So my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. Ito galing to kay Coach Winston, no? So we know this is just really more on remembering na talagang this is non-negotiable. We really have to be aware of our energy. And of course, lahat naman po yan, no? Mag-gauge talaga natin, totoo ba sa atin tong negosyo? Malalaman mo if may mangyayari na ba sa'yo sa business na to? Is this really gonna be an answered prayer for us? Is this really real for you? If meron ka talagang inspired action, no? And alam mo po yun, inspired action is you don't have to force yourself doing it. Talagang joyfully, gigising ka. Ako po, when I did this business, I never wake up naman talaga ng 3 a.m., no? Na parang sasabihin mo every day 3 a.m., that's not really my body clock. But when I decided to really do it, I knew that this is it, because yung katawan ko po talaga sumusunod talaga. I did my alarm clock po, pero wala, gising na po talaga ako, babangon talaga siya. Ayoko mag-journal, joyfully mag-journal ako. Everything nang hindi ko nagagawa, ginagawa ko joyfully, no? Parang hindi ko na naiisip, I'm not used to this, I have to force myself. Wala pong ganon na level. It's really like, oh, okay, it's really, I'm doing it. It's really the inspired action, no? We can really say it's an inspired action if hindi ka na pinipilit, no? Parang you do it with passion. Kumbaga ba yan na yung fuel mo, may intention ka na to do it. So, that's action. And tayo naman, we're really guided, no? We know we have the roadmap, ginagawa na natin to, that we just have to really do it, no? Meron pa nga tayo sa daily monitoring natin where ano ba talaga ang productive activities na dapat ginagawa natin, no? So, and class, and I wanna really focus on this, no? With the dream is the manifestation. And ako po personally, if meron din talaga akong lakad, no, na fan ko, ay sorry po, nawala ang aking, sorry for that. So meron akong isang lakad is I really believe that manifestation is from inside out, no? Anything that we want, being abundance, being rich, being successful, it's an inside job, no? So, and how manifestation works? Actually, pag ang bata tinanong mo, kaya nga nila itong sagutin, di ba? Based on the sharing of Coach Winston, di ba? Pag ano yung gusto mo, di ba? Like for example, let's just say this apple, no? Ito yung gusto mong, di ba? Maging abundant, no? Magkaroon ng freedom, no? Both time and financial, kasi anuhin naman natin ang financial freedom if we don't have the time freedom, no? So we want the time and financial freedom. Let's say that's an apple. So alam natin na ang itatanim natin, it's apple seed, no? It's not the lemon seed, no? So simple, kumbaga ba, ano yung bunga, it's the result, ano yung gusto natin, itanim natin yon, right? So we know it's that actually simple. It's actually, pag titignan mo, para siyang, it's natural flow ng ng environment, no? Parang andyan siya, parang how to manifest, no? Parang pag anong tinanim mo, yun yung bunga, no? So, but with us po, since we know that, no? Like, sasabihin mo, ako po, matagal ko nang gustong pumayat. Sobrang tagal ko na pong gustong pumayat. Siguro marami na pong napahiyang kumpanya sa akin, no? Na ever since I'm really chubby and all. And ngayon ko lang talaga na-achieve yung ganitong weight. And most of the time, nakakatuwa nga, their questions is, uy, kala may pinagawa or ganyan, and wala po talaga. Of course, it's Altera Care, but it all started from within, no? And the battle that I have is really sa loob pala talaga, no? So anyway, that's another story, but so tayo, we know that minsan gusto mong yumaman, gustong nanggigigil ka ng yumaman, but bakit ganon? Ginagawa mo naman ng lahat, di ba? You're doing everything, tumatambling ka na nga, grabe ka na nga, wala na nga tulugan eh. Sabi 40 man lang, hindi nga 40 man sa'yo, 400 man na. Hindi ka na nga natutulog, 2 hours na, you're doing everything, no? So, but is there a possibility that kahit ganun katinding effort natin, we're still not getting, no? We're still not getting the result that we want, no? There's getting in the way, no? So why I am not creating yet, no? Kasi bakit ganon? Joyful naman ako, di ba? Sabi positive, sabi amba na ako, sabi ganito na ako, yun naman, gigising naman ako, yun naman talaga, no? Bakit kaya, no? And let's go for real talk. I know most of you, if not all of you, attended the training of Coach Winston, and he talked about it. But there are things, no, na minsan, sabi nga is, mas malalim yung gusto nating mangyari na resulta sa buhay natin, our dreams. Syempre, mas maraming inner healing, you know, maraming kailangan ding bunutin sa loob natin, no? So there are a lot of reasons bakit hindi tayo why we are not really manifesting fast, no? And meron tayo dito, no, the like few, no, 5 na you wanna create slower, bakit kaya parang ang bagal, no? Simply maybe because of expectations, no? Just like we were saying, if you are coming from the space of lack, so you will know that you want to be abundant, but you're coming from the space of lack. Like, gusto mo magkaroon ng leaders, pero bakit ganon? Pero alam mo na parang, ang hirap kumuha ng leader, ang hirap. Wala po talaga yan. It's not gonna happen. No? It's basically, yun nga, di ba? Parang on the expectation based on needs, attachment, judgment, fears, marami po yan eh. But yung pinaka-major, kumbaga ba, parang blockage na meron tayo eh. And I really, this topic is really close from my heart, no? It's really the forgiveness, no? And dito kasi you wanna create slow, bakit kaya ang bagal ko? Diba? Maybe may unforgiveness pa ako. I think for me po, if there is like what Kuya Mark said, no, na parang for 30 years, parang we felt that sila ni Ate Sara, they are being prepared for this. And so do I, no? And with my past, no, na journey, yung life ko po and all, parang kung may isa akong parang na prepare ng Panginoon is to really just really forgive people, no? Whether humingi sila ng tawad, hindi humingi ng tawad, whether wala na to the worst na kaya nating imaginein and all, no? Parang just to really just forgive, no? And you know, you little did you know, no? These are simple things because it's really true whether you believe it or not. Manifestation, no? You wanna really manifest ng pangmatagalan, ng mabilisan at it will really last, then there's really no way but to go inside, no? Then it will just be really that automatic. So breaking through blocks, no? It's really, ano ba yung main pati? Thank you po for pamute na lang po ha. So, for faster manifestation, and ito po, if tatanungin niyo po ako, this is so real for me sa pag-journey ko po ng Pride. From day one, no? Parang every day, kumbaga ba, I'm really tested. Kumbaga, dinaanan ko rin po talaga ito and the rest. So, the impact of unforgiveness on manifesting abundance, no? Actually po, lack of forgiveness is equals to lack of abundance. Sobra siyang connected. And sometimes, isipin mo, ba't ganon? And dito po, I know, and I'm not saying, uy, para ambassador ka na, you forgive. And then you are not ready for it. We're not forcing, we're not ganun, but we're just saying, no, na it's a luggage. You know the truth about it. What is unforgiveness? It's the act of holding onto negative feelings, resentment, or anger towards someone who has wronged us. 'Di ba? Parang kung titignan mo po, 'di ba? Parang let's just say na ikaw na yung api. Ikaw na yung nagawan ng mali, no? And then here you are, sinong pahihirapan mo para hindi pa magpatawad? Sarili mo pa rin. Double jeopardy lang 'yon. Dahil hindi naman maaapektuhan yung kabilang party, kung sino man yung kanino ka nagagalit, 'di ba? Hindi naman siya yung maaapektuhan. It's actually you. Ikaw yung dito, you see in the picture, 'di ba? Ikaw yung umiinom ng poison, no? Hindi naman yung tao na yon. It's you. Blockage po siya. And blockage siya sa atin. Kumbaga ba, any grudges, small things like that, no? If you want to really remember with our this one, bakit nawala? Ayun, here in the energy, it's really impossible naman po talaga to be here in the joy, in that space, no? We're talking about the real one that is sustained, na you will say, ang dami mong sama ng loob, no? So these are the things na minsan nagugulat ka, but they are the reason na they are really getting in the way. Baka it's really time. And ako po, ito po yung isang preparation ko. Talagang sobra. Lakad, it's not easy to forgive, lalo na sa mga tao na hindi din naman talaga nag-apologize, no? But it's not about the other person. This is about you. So, yan po siya, no? And because we're saying, and that money, and that's what, of course, here, where we wanna also manifest abundance, no? Money is an energy, and the energy of money is joy, no? And sabi nga, joyful intention plus inspired action equals manifestation. The truth is, joy is the ultimate creator, no? And there's really no way na meron ka talagang ganyang joy na parang ang dami mong sama ng loob. And that will really just block you, no? So, tayo po, baka minsan grabe kang magtrabaho, ito siya, ganyan-ganyan, bakit ganon? Or mag-go mo man yan, mawawala ulit, or mag-keep, or hindi siya. And we want it na pang long term, no? The inside yung loob natin, no? Whatever we're accumulating, it's nagre-ripple and all. So that's yun yung gusto nating i-manifest. And that's really possible with joy inside, no? So yan po siya. And so again, how to manifest faster? Forgive. Malaki po itong chunk niya, no? So you attract who you are, not what you want, no? So the secret of manifestation is the feeling, no? I mean, you have that joy, gratitude, no? But actually po, the deeper secret to manifestation is the healing, no? And it happens pag kwan po talaga. Nangyayari po yan when we forgive people. When we learn from all of these things na hindi tayo magsasabi na sana di na yun nangyari. Sana hindi na yun nag-right. We have that regrets, but we can actually from the heart say na, wow, I've learned from it. Thank you, Lord, for this. Wow, I'm grateful. Wow, I've learned. You put meaning, no, to all of these things na nangyayari. And that is getting back, no, being 100 responsible and taking back your power. How powerful is that? Naku po, that pag wala kang blockage and you do the inspired action, magugulat ka. It's just really happening. The joy is gonna be like effortless. No, I mean, of course, there are challenges, but at least, no, parang, kumbaga ba, you know how to handle it. No? So, yun po siya. Ako po, this is really my space. I have no energy for hate. I either love you, wish you well, or hope you heal. No, for kumbaga ba yan lang po talagang space ko. And that's why I check, no, I will just give blessings and I'm doing it, of course, especially I'm doing it for myself also. I know I'm worthy, I deserve the abundance, and so lahat po tayo. We all deserve this. No, we all deserve to be abundant. We are all worthy, no? Sabi ako nga, ang pananaw ko is kung tayo nga, 'di ba? Parang even sa time natin, we give parang masyado tayong generous with our time. Wala pa nga tayo, we help people na, wala pa tayong ganung budget. So much more if you have, no? So gaano ka parang you will really be a conduit of blessings. And you know who you are eh. You know who you are. So, 'di ba, tayo yung mas magandang mabless, no? Kasi alam natin na nasa tamang kamay, no? So yun po siya, no? So with us in our journey, no? So it's all about alignment. So with like the apple, no? Knowing who you are is actually the beingness. Sino ka ba talaga? What's your purpose, no? Especially, of course, tayo with what we're doing in AP, we're asking for our why. What's your why? No? Makabayad ng utang, yung bahay, and all. Yeah, it's true. That's all needed. And then, magugulat ka after lumalalim po ng lumalalim. We started to know who we are, our life purpose, mas malalim. Because what we actually use as and part of our guiding principle or the container that we have in AP is the be do have principle. Salamat po. The be do have principle, no? So be as the beingness, no? You know who you are without a doubt. What's your life? I mean, we go for this, no? With I believe most of us here are AP, no, doing amazing project, and so the action will just follow, no, and it's not the action will follow because the belief system and the beingness is really there. Ito talaga yung nagpapagalaw sa katawan natin, no? And so automatic, it will really have a result that we want, no? Naka-align talaga siya. So sa atin po, again, no? So how to create faster? let it go. Sana magaling ako kumanta. So, but it's basically sa atin what I actually want is of course love, forgive, no? Forgive, have the positive intention in the space of allowing or surrender, we call it, no? And let's just really flow. Just really flow. And so, of course, just to reiterate, the flow, it doesn't mean wala po tayong gagawin, no? Sabi nga natin, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa, no? So it's not gonna happen without us having taking part, no? We have a role to play. So, but the good thing is, let's be joyful about it. Let's do it with love, manifesting with love and joy, no? So it takes dream, discipline, discipline, responsibility, energy, action, and manifestation to turn dreams into reality. And here in Pride, it can be done. And I am done. So mabilis lang ako kasi 'di ba may oras din ako. So that's it, coach. I think ayan na. Okay. Yun
Thank
po
you.
yung sa aking sharing. It's just really more on remembering, no, that baka po kasi parang hindi pwedeng kumbaga ba, coupled with action outside, no, we'll have to also check the inside para sobrang align talaga and we will just really actually flow. It's really good to manifest from inside out. And again, I just wanna plug. Anyway, may konting time po, no, parang don't forget po, no, to part ng ating working smart is let's maximize, no, let's leverage. Part of the working smart, the strategy is leverage. We're here in US, Canada for may caravan tayo with Amba, Jasmine, Christian, Amba Christian, City on Nathan, Ate Faith, no? And meron po tayong event, meron tayong third year epic event, no, sa Las Vegas. May internal stamina building sa Las Vegas. So please, kung kailangan nyo pong pumilit, alam nyo po, the last time, it was July, Amba Nathan na talaga, no? City on Nathan, nagkaroon po siya, teaser lang ng kanyang ISB. Not even a whole day, no? Teaser lang ng ISB. And meron talaga akong pinilit. And sabi niya, siya po tumawag, naiiyak pa talaga. Actually, umiiyak po siya. Sabi niya, salamat at pinilit mo ako. Imaginein mo pag di mo ako pinilit. And lahat ng umattend doon na hindi namilit ng mga kakilala, nagsisi po talaga. And no joke po yan. And so, lalo na ngayon, it's a whole day event. And it's free, ha? It's free. So, baka po meron kayong mga kakilala, let's go for it. We are one team, one family po tayo. Pag may event po na nandito kami, ipadala nyo po. Pag magpo-post, sabihin nyo po sa amin, aawayin natin. Palayasin natin sila sa Pride. Peace, joke lang. So, let's live in abundance, no? Let's embrace abundance together na parang pwede bang magbibigay diyan, baka mamaya makukuha, magaganon and all. And no, let's we are one team, one tribe, one family, and kami po yung gagawa ng ating that is actually a really good leverage. Pag kahit po ang mga leaders nyo from New York, saan mang parts of United States, kung kaya nyong gawa ng paraan, ligawan, pilitin, napapuntahin pa atinin ng ISB sa Las Vegas po, I believe it's really worth it. And that will be your leverage. We're really looking also for builders dito sa USA. Grabe po, parang talagang parang pag imagine mo yon, you have a leader here na kasabay sa pagputok, wow. And you know that real talk po tayo, yung mga tao talaga na kumikita, we all want a passive income, right? The freedom. And we can only really get that. Reality, real talk po tayo if we have the global business. Or else, medyo matagal at magiging mabagal if we will just do it face-to-face or dun sa area lang natin. Sabi nga po, right now, no, if you have a business, any businesses po, I'm not even talking of networking lang, lahat ng negosyo, if you have a business and it's not online, it's not there in the internet, it's not online, you don't have a business. So wala po talaga tayo, much more po tayo, we don't really have a choice, no? So let's go for that. Let's believe that we have yung 8 leaders po natin is all over the world, no? And will yun lang po. Thank you so much and good more earnings.